Let's begin by making the yarns. You can make these using old t-shirt or what I'm using here. I'm using a mattress cover that has the same fabric as that of t-shirt. You can also use any type of old cloth that you have. So I'll begin by removing the elastic band. And as we continue, guys, please remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I'll appreciate so much. We are in a journey to 1,000 subscribers. We are not yet there, but I believe we'll be. I've removed the elastic band. Next, I'll cut these ends so that the fabric will lie flat. So there it is. It is flat. I'll then fold it in such a way that when I cut the yarns, I'll be getting several pieces. This is a fast and quick way to cut the yarns rather than spreading the fabric and cutting a piece by piece. By so doing, I'll cut several pieces and it is a fast method. So by this, I don't have the specific measurement of the size of my yarns, but what I normally ensure is that they are all uniform and they are kind of medium size. That is, they are not too thick and they are not too thin, just like the one that I'm making here. But you can make them whatever size that you want. As you can see mine, when I stretch it like that, it will become a medium sized one, and I always find it easy to work with a medium size. So that's how you make your yarn from old clothes. Remember, like I said, you can use any type of old cloth that you have to make this yarn that you can use for any kind of crocheting that you want to do. So I'll continue making my yarns and then we'll proceed to the next step. I trust you've made your yarns and now you want to have yarn balls like these ones. So next step is how to join these yarns that you've made to make one big roll. This is how you join this yarn to make one big roll. So I'll take 2 small yarns and join them. So you will get the ends of each yarn of the 2 yarn like that, and then you join them like that. Then you are using a pair of scissors. You are going to make a hole on both the yarns. So using a pair of scissors, I make the holes. I'll then insert one yarn like this. Let me repeat so that you can see it well. I insert like that. Then on that yarn hole, I'll insert its thread and pull through the whole thread to create a firm knot like that. I'll repeat this again just in case you didn't get it. It is very easy and you can see the knot is very firm. So you'll take the 2 ends, make a hole on each end, then take one yarn. In this case, you want to take the small one rather than the longer one that you've made. Then you insert it there and then pull it through, pull the thread through to make a firm knot like that. It is as easy as that. Once you've joined all your yarns, then you can make your yarn ball. Finally, you have your yarn ball. The next step will be to make this 3D chain that I made by just using my fingers. You can see how neat it is, yet I have not used any crochet. So I'm going to show you how you'll go about it. take the yarn ball that we've made and hold one of its ends. Remember, we are going to use our fingers to crochet, so we'll use our thumb, our index finger and the middle finger. So you're going to use your thumb to pinch that end to keep the yarn firmly in place, and then you're going to make an H shape around your index finger and middle finger. That is an H shape like that. It is much easier to work with your fingertips, and you'll see why. So you'll go once in front and once at the back, and then you see we formed the H shape. There is my H shape, once in front, once at the back. So let's do this. Pinch with the thumb to keep the yarn in place. Then near the tip of your finger, you are going to make an H shape, once at the back, once at the front. You're going to do this twice, once in front, once at the back, and now you have that. You are then going to pull the bottom yarn while still holding the yarn firmly with your thumb over the top one, over your fingertip. You do to both sides, both the index finger and the middle finger, while still holding firm with your thumb. You then repeat once in front. Yeah, you pull once in front, once at the back, and then you pull the bottom yarn over the top one, over your fingertip. As you can see, we've now started creating our chain. You repeat this, and you can see how I'm holding my yarns to keep them in place so that I create a firm chain. So you're going to continue with this and ensuring that your yarn is near the tip of your finger so that it is easier to remove the bottom yarn over the top one over to your finger. And now you can see our chain is coming through. Yeah, so you will continue with this, creating your chain. I just hope you've gotten it, and now you can just unhold with your thumb. It is now firm, it cannot unravel. So let's create our chain. There is my chain. I just hope you also have viewers and you are excited as I am. So this is how you are going now to close your chain so that it doesn't unravel. You will remove the loops on your fingers, and then you are going to form a knot in such a way that it cannot unravel. It's a nice knot. You just insert the loose yarn on both the loops, and you close it like that. So there it is, guys, a nice chain that you can make even a necklace out of it. Yeah, I just hope you also have viewers. So we proceed to the next step. Since I want to make a rag mat out of this chain, I did make a longer chain. Like you can see, it's made of several colors, but neat as usual. Yeah, in making the rag mat, I did use this hot glue gun together with the glue stick I wanted the first method. You can also use a needle and a thread to join the chain if you don't have a hot glue gun. So this is how I went about it. It was easy and fast.